guys, I'm Adira, the girl behind Adi's Creations. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a tripod stand to take tutorial videos. So let's get started. Now I'm going to show you how I use my tripod stand to get the overhead view. You will have to extend one leg of the tripod. Now place the other two legs on a table and support the extended leg in such a way that it does not fall. So for this one I have used an IKEA stand. You can also use a chair. So here I am going to show you how to use a chair instead of an IKEA cart to support the extended part. You can also use a small desk or a stand or anything that is available at your home. Here I am just showing you an example. So the second method is a very common one. I have seen so many YouTubers trying this one, but I have tried this method only once. So you must take a thick rope and tie it to the center part of the tripod like this. Make sure you tie the knot very tightly so that the whole thing won't fall apart. Now take the other end and tie it to somewhere that is opposite to the tripod stand. Again, make sure the knot is super tight. I tried to keep the phone on my tripod, but it started to slide. So in order to stop the tripod from sliding, I'm going to use a box and keep it on one side of the leg, and that's it. This is my favorite method. Take a thick rope and tie it in the center part. Again, make sure the knot is super tight. Now extend all the three legs of the tripod. Now place each leg onto the window railing and then tie the center rope onto the window railing. Make sure the knot is super tight. Use another rope to tie the second leg of the tripod to the railing. Also another one to tie the third leg. This is a super easy method to use your tripod stand to get the overhead view of your tutorial videos or any other videos. I prefer this method because it's near to the window and helps me get enough sunlight for all the videos that I shoot. This is a super easy method. I'm not going to use a tripod stand, but instead I'm using a wooden scale and few books. Place the books intact. You can stack more books according to the height you prefer. Now keep a wooden scale or a strong steel scale in between. You can also use a wooden piece or any other sturdy material instead of a wooden scale or a steel scale. This is a super easy method. Anyone can try this out. All you need is few books and also a super sturdy base. So come on, what are you waiting for? You can start taking your tutorial videos and yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked the video, please do share your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you.